Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the console thoroughly so repairs bond and look right. Use a leather-safe cleaner and a soft brush. This removes oils and grime that block adhesion. Once dry, inspect every seam and surface for cracks, small tears, or dye loss and note depth. Make sure you have filler, a flexible spatula, sandpaper 400-600, conditioner, and matching dye. Begin with the smallest crack first. Filling shallow areas prevents them from worsening later and saves time on sanding. You now build the repair with controlled filler applications so the finish sits flush. Apply a thin layer of leather filler into cracks using a flexible spatula, pressing to remove air pockets. Let each layer dry 10-20 minutes. Once tacky, sand gently with 400-600 grit to level and feather into surrounding leather. This ensures the dye covers evenly. Repeat filling and sanding until the surface is smooth and slightly recessed, because a small recess accepts dye and conditioner better than a raised repair. You finish by restoring color and flexibility so the console looks factory new. Apply a thin coat of matching leather dye with a sponge, let it dry, and build color in 2-3 thin layers rather than one heavy coat. This prevents cracking. After color, apply a flexible leather sealer to lock dye and protect against wear, then condition the area once the sealer cures for 24-48 hours to restore suppleness. If dye flakes or cracks, stop, resand the spot. Reapply filler if needed, then repeat dye and seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.